our tips on how to apply the Activator gel. First of all, you need a clean dish and a clean brush. Make sure to apply the product in a good amount and do not blend it too much in the beginning. So take some fresh product, put it on the brow, and then take again fresh product. And it's always very helpful to clean the brush in between applying the activator, so to make sure to have always fresh activator gel. As the activator gel reacts instantly with the skin and the products you put on before, it's important to put it on and not blending it too much in the beginning. So you put it on, then you brush it in a little bit, and when you applied enough of the product, then you're totally fine by blending it a little bit. For blending, you can use a spoolie at the back. When you have a lot of hair, that's very nice to comb it into the hair. If you feel you need it a bit more precise, you can also take those little helpful brushes or any other tools you feel are helpful, are totally fine to use. At the end, you can clean the area around the brow with a small cotton tip and give it a good and precise shape. And you will also see that the brow mapper is very helpful because it prevents the skin and gives you this very good and precise shape. This video is just about applying the activator. So if you need more information about all the other steps, please make sure to check out our tutorials on YouTube or download them on video.